Dear students, today we are going to learn chapter number 7. Topic name is the plane. First we will see what is the meaning and what is the definition of the plane. See, in general, plane is plane is a flat surface area or which extends in all directions. It can extend in all directions with at least 3 non-collinear points. Non-collinear points such that the line joining any 2 points on the surface lies entirely on it only. This is point A, point B, point C. These are non-collinear points, and this plane can extended in all directions. It is a flat surface area and with at least 3 non-collinear points such that the line joining any 2 points on the surface lies entirely on it. So that is the definition. A plane is a proper subset of R cube. A plane is a proper subset of R cube which has at least 3 non-collinear points and such that for any 2 points in it, the line joining them also lies on it. So coming to the definition of plane. A plane is a flat surface area which extends in all directions with at least 3 non-collinear points. Such that the line joining any 2 points on the surface lies entirely on it. So that is the definition of the plane. Take any 3 points A, B, C which are not on straight line is denoted by plane ABC or plane phi. And second definition, of course, same like A plane is a proper subset of R cube which has at least 3 non-collinear points and is such that for any 2 points in it the line joining them also lies in it. So this is the definition and meaning of the plane. Note, any straight line in 2D any straight line in 2D converts into the plane in 3D. So 3D is nothing but 3-dimensional geometry. Any straight line in 2D converts into the plane in 3D. Okay, next we will see the equation of plane. So what are the forms of the plane? So we will see now. So second, equation of plane. General form of the equation of plane. General form of the equation of a plane. Every equation of first degree in x comma y comma z represents a plane. So that is the form of the general form of the equation of the plane. The first degree general equation in x comma y comma z is ax plus by plus cz plus d equal to 0. So this is the general form of the equation of plane. General form of the equation of the plane, where a comma b comma c are real and direction ratios of normal to the plane, normal to the plane, and these real values at least one of A, B, C, A, comma, B, comma, C is non-zero. So what is the meaning of normal to the plane? Normal to the plane means this is a plane, what is the meaning of normal to the plane? A line perpendicular to the plane. This is a line perpendicular to the plane is called normal to the plane. So what is the general form of the equation of plane is ax plus by plus cz plus d equal to 0. This is the first degree equation, and where a comma b comma c are real and direction ratios of normal to the plane, and at least one of a comma b comma c is non-zero. This is the general form of the plane equation. Next, Cartesian form of equation of plane. Cartesian form of equation of plane. That means this is also called one point form. Cartesian form of equation of plane called as one point form also. One point form. Equation of plane passing through the given point x1 comma y1 comma z1 and having direction ratios drs of normal b a comma b comma c. Therefore Cartesian form one point form of equation of plane is a of x minus x1 plus b of y minus y1 plus c of z minus z1 equal to 0. Proof, we will see the proof. The general form general form of equation of the plane is what? Ax plus by plus cz plus d equal to 0. This is equation number 1. It is passing through the point what? x1 comma y1 comma z1 equal to 0. Sir, x1 comma y1 comma z1. So passing means automatically we will get ax1 plus by1 plus cz1 plus d equal to 0. This is the second. Subtract 1 minus 2. We get a of x minus x1 plus b of y minus y1 plus c of z minus z1 equal to 0 is the required form of equation of plane. That is nothing but one point form or Cartesian form. So general form is the first form and Cartesian form is the second, and we will see third form, that is third form of equation of plane. Equation of plane normal form. Let L comma M comma N are the direction cosines of the normal to the plane from origin O and perpendicular distance from origin to the plane is p greater than 0. Let x comma y comma z be any point on the plane, general point, of course, then equation Lx plus My plus Nz equal to P is the normal form of the plane. P is called normal form of equation of plane. So Lx plus My plus Nz equal to P, where L comma M comma N direction cosines of the normal to the plane from origin, and P is the perpendicular distance from origin to the plane. So this is the normal form of equation of plane. Next, reduction. Next we will see the reduction of general form of the plane equation of a plane to its normal. So general form reduced to normal form, reduction, general form, normal form. So first the general form, the general equation of the plane is ax plus by plus cz plus d equal to 0. This is the one. Let L comma M comma N be the direction cosines of the normal to the plane, and P be the perpendicular distance of the plane from origin O. Then the equation of the plane in normal form is Lx plus My plus Nz equal to P. This is equation number 2. Since 1 and 2 represents the same plane, therefore L by A equal to M by B equal to N by C, that equal to P by minus D, that equal to plus or minus under root of L square plus M square plus N square by root of A square plus B square plus C square. Anyway, L square plus M square plus N square equal to 1. Root 1 is nothing but 1. So plus or minus 1 by root of A square plus B square plus C square. So A square plus B square plus C square. Now the equation becomes into normal form Lx plus My plus Nz equal to P, where L equal to plus or minus A by root of A square plus B square plus C square, M equal to plus or minus B by root of A square plus B square plus C square, N equal to plus or minus C by root of A square plus B square plus C square, and P equal to plus or minus D by root of A square plus B square plus C square. So is always positive. That means perpendicular distance P is always positive. Note the perpendicular distance of the plane from the origin is p equal to modulus d by under root of a square plus b square plus c square. That means always positive. So how we can reduce general form of equation of plane to the normal form of a plane in problem? For example, reduce the equation x plus 2y minus 3z minus 6 equal to 0 of the plane to the normal form. Given equation of the plane x plus 2y minus 3z minus 6 equal to 0. Write as x plus 2y minus 3z equal to 6. This should be positive. Then after divides both sides by root of a square plus b square plus c square, that is nothing but 1 square plus 2 square plus of minus 3 whole square. So therefore the equation of plane in normal form, this is 1 square plus 2 square plus minus root 3 square is nothing but 9 plus 4, 13 plus 1, root 14. So 1 by root 14 x plus 2 by root 14 y minus 3 by root 14 z equal to 6 by root 14. Here L equal to 1 by root 14, m equal to 2 by root 14 and n equal to minus 3 by root 14, and perpendicular distance is nothing but p equal to 6 by root 14. So like we reduce general form of equation of plane to the normal form. See next, equation of plane Cartesian method, by Cartesian method, Cartesian method, 3-point form. This is called as 3-point form. 3-point form. The equation of the plane passing through 3 points, 3 non-collinear points, 3 non-collinear points A, x1 comma y1 comma z1, B, x2 comma y2 comma z2, C, x3 comma y3 comma z3. As the plane passing through one point ax1 comma y1 comma z1. We have what 1-point form. We have the equation of plane. We have the equation that is a of x minus x1 plus b of y minus y1 plus c of z minus z1 equal to 0. This plane is also passing through point B, also passing through B, x2 comma y2 comma z2. We get equation a of x2 minus x1 plus b of y2 minus y1 plus c of z2 minus z1 equal to 0. Same plane passing through point C, x3 comma y3 comma z3. We get equation a of x3 minus x1 plus b of y3 minus y1 plus c of z3 minus z1 equal to 0. Eliminating a comma b comma c from above 3 equations, 1 2 3 equations by determinant method, that is x minus x1 y minus y1 z minus z1 x2 minus x1 y2 minus y1 z2 minus z1 x3 minus x1 y3 minus y1 z3 minus z1 determinant equal to 0. This is the equation of plane in Cartesian method, that is nothing but 3-point form. Next definition, plane of intercepts on the axis. Plane of intersects of the on the axis. Plane intercepts on the plane, on the axis, plane intercepts form. If a plane which does not pass through the origin intersects the axis of coordinates yet a comma 0 comma 0 b 0 comma b comma 0 c 0 comma 0 comma c. Then a comma b comma c are called x comma y comma z intercepts of the plane respectively. So this is the plane intercepts on the axis. So equation of a plane in the intercept form. Theorem statement: the equation of the plane whose x, y, z intercepts are a, b, c is x by a plus y by b plus z by c equal to 1. Proof: see, look at your proof. Suppose the equation of plane is Lx plus My plus Nz equal to P. This is 1. This passes through the point a, 0, 0. We get LA plus M of 0 plus Y of 0 equal to P. That is nothing but LA equal to P. If equation 1 passes through point B, that is intercept B, 0, B, 0, and C intercept 0, 0, C, we get similarly MB equal to P and NC equal to P. That is, from here L equal to what? P by A, M equal to P by B, and N equal to C, P by C. So therefore equation of plane is, substitute these values in equation 1, xp by A plus yp by B plus zp by C equal to P. So P take common from left side, P x by A plus y by B plus z by C equal to P. P get cancelled, therefore x by A plus y by B plus z by C equal to 1. This is the plane in the intercept form, equation of plane in the intercept form. For example, suppose a plane makes intercepts 2, 3, 4 on x comma y comma z axis respectively. Then find equation of plane. Solution: x comma y comma z axis intercepts are given 2 comma 3 comma 4. Then the equation of the plane is x by a plus y by b plus z by c equal to 1. This is the plane intercept form. Therefore this is a equal to 2, x by 2, y by b is nothing but 3, z by c is nothing but 4 equal to 1. So LCM is the 12. So this is 6x plus this is a 4y plus this is a 3z equal to 1. That is 6x plus 4y plus 3z equal to 12 is the required plane equation. We have seen angle between two lines when they are given direction ratios or when they are given direction cosines. Now we will see angle between two planes. The angle between two planes is defined as the angle between their normals. If a1x plus b1y plus c1z plus d1 equal to 0. This is equation number 1 plane. a2x plus b2y plus c2z plus d2 equal to 0. This is the equation number 2 of the plane. Or equations of two planes. Then the direction ratios of the normal to the planes are here a1 comma b1 comma c1 in first plane and a2 comma b2 comma c2 are direction ratios of normal to the plane respectively. Hence angle between the planes equal to what? Angle between the normals. That is cos inverse of modulus a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2 by root of a1 square plus b1 square plus c1 square into root of a2 square plus b2 square plus c2 square. So this is the angle between two planes. The planes are perpendicular if their normals are perpendicular. That is a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2 equal to what? 0. Second point from angle between two planes, the planes are parallel if the normals are parallel. That is a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2. Note the equation of a plane parallel to ax plus by plus cz plus d equal to 0 is ax plus by plus cz plus k equal to 0, where k is a parameter. That means only constant will be differ from two parallel planes. So in next session we will see the solved problems as well as exercise 7a problems in next session. Thank you for watching.